Now we are going to discuss a little bit the format of a string. Sometimes we need values of variables inside the code like blank got blank numbers. Let's suppose I'm writing some variables inside the code that someone names like Hanif got 90 marks. Then Hanif and 90 are the variables, and maybe anything like in the names you can maybe anyone name, and in the marks maybe any type of number, someone with 40, someone has 60, someone has 90, 70, and maybe anything. So by how we will do this, how will write the variables inside a string. For this purpose we use the format. You will see the blank may be any name and many marks, so we use variable inside string. For this purpose we will use some format. I will do this in the next practical example. You will see going to hands on with the format, how we can write some variables inside a string. For this purpose I have created format.py, so I'm commenting for your understanding. Let's I'm defining two variables. First will be the name and the other will be the marks. So I'm taking a user input string, but at that time I'm entering my name, so we will use that. How can we use this? And my roll number. So after in the inside the print statement, you will see we use the brackets, curly brackets for the format function. For format, these curly brackets, and got is the print statement we have written, and the brackets, or my name will be inside the bracket, curly brackets, and roll number will be inside the curly brackets. Dot format into name comma roll number. The name will be inside the first curly brackets, and the roll number will be inside the second curly brackets. After executing, I removed the 0 because it shows some errors. So Hanif got 61 marks. 61 was my roll number. It was not this was not my marks, but doesn't affect. So this is not a big problem. Some people use the curly brackets inside the small brackets, like to separate the variables from the other string. So I'm doing this for your understanding. Small bracket, and there inside is the curly brackets, got small brackets, and inside the small brackets we use curly brackets. Marks dot format is necessary. So after we use the curly brackets. Oh, it gives the error. Oh, because I didn't enter the variables inside the format, so I forget and I got error, so I'm correcting. Here you can see now, this is not my this is my mark, this is my roll number. So I'm changing the variable name both here, name marks, it's not roll number. So I change all the variables because the roll number variable is now deleted, and you can see now I'm running my program. So it's working. Hanif is inside the small brackets, got 61 marks inside the small brackets. This is the another function. Hopefully you will like this. Used to separate the variables from the string. So this is the method of formatting. You can, by this way you can use the variable inside the string. This is an interesting way. Use this, write code, do practice, and make yourself perfect. Hopefully you will like this.